Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Snagajob profile. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Snagajob profile, start by visiting the Snagajob website. Locate the sign in button at the top of the home page. Click on sign in to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. For new users, click on the join button to create a profile. Fill in the required personal information in the registration form. Make sure to include your name, email address, and desired password. After filling out the form, click the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email at the address provided. Open your email and find the message from Snagajob. Click on the verification link included in the email. This will redirect you back to the Snagajob website. Log in using your email address and password again. Once logged in, complete your profile by adding your work experience. Include your skills and any relevant job preferences. Review all the information to ensure accuracy. Finally, click the Activate Profile button to finalize the process. Your Snagajob profile is now active and ready for employers to view. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.